She's a model singer. It's not a taste usually, but I think that maybe something.
So, ma'am, how was your today exhibition to be a part of today event?
I'm happy to be here. I've still not looked around. I told them, I said, might as well talk to me before I start shopping because otherwise they may not get my bite.
Okay, there are so many things like there are ornaments, there are dressing, there are many of which is the thing you like most? Like, you like the clothes or
You know how women are now, they like everything, whether it's jewelry or clothes or bags or shoes. We are the best client for an exhibition. एक औरत को लाके खड़ा कर दो exhibition में and then leave the rest.
Summer is nearby, summer season is nearby. So, any tip you would like to provide for fashion?
I think people should definitely go for more cottons and light fabric. Unfortunately, when you wear synthetics, first of all, it's not good for your skin, and secondly, it also, doesn't give out a pleasing odor. And I think women need to become conscious of this fact because it's a very important thing. So, summer should be all about bright colors but light fabric and pure fresh fabric.
Your fan is missing you in big screen on movies, Bollywood movies. So when you will...
I have in fact just taken a sabbatical from films. I only do cooking now. As you know, I'm a chef. I do my show called Mamika Magic on Food and I'm doing a couple of more shows food related because I thought if I have to be the best in something, let's concentrate and focus on one thing. So I'm now a chef. So you'll see me in a lot of cooking shows, not in movies.
Very different. We have chosen the many Bollywood actors and celebrity after their acting, they decide to choose a fashion designer or interior designer.
Yeah.
But very differently, you have chosen the chef line.
That's because this line happened to me by chance. Sanjeev Kapoor had asked me to do it. That was 4 years back. And you're right, at that time also I used to think it's a hobby. And I didn't take it seriously because acting was still my first priority. But over the years, over the last 3-4 years, I got a lot of popularity as a chef and I started seeing people really looked up to me for what I was doing. And it gave me a very good sense of satisfaction. So now I've even gone to Singapore, I've done an advanced culinary course, I've worked with a hotel, a very popular hotel. I'm starting my own restaurant soon. So I'm finding that this is giving me a lot more gratification. So, and there is no, that crazy competition that you always have to be competing with people. This gives me more happiness and peace. So right now this is what it is.
Okay, your any favorite dish?
Oh, lots. I'm a foodie. For children or for myself? Both. I love Japanese and Thai food a lot. For kids, I make everything. My son's favorite right now is a chocolate chip cookie, except I haven't told him I put oats in it and make it healthier. My whole USP is I make yummy food healthy for kids without them realizing that there's healthy stuff in it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
After to follow me, we kept shopping around.
Less of the current price, right? Yes, there is a buyback.
So what would you like to speak today about it? There is so much glamour and so much costumes are there, very much jewelries are there. What would you like to speak about it?
It's always good being a part of dressing room. This is apparently my 5th season out here, and it's good to know that like so many brands and designers together, they collaborate and do this show together. It's a fun day. It's just started, so let's see how it goes.
Can you explain a little bit about your clothes?
So we are showcasing our Autumn Winter 15 collection over here, and that's like one of our latest lines right now. And as you can see right now, what we are showcasing.
Okay, when summer season are nearby, can you provide some tips for the summer?
For the summer, be light, be casual, and be comfortable in whatever you wear.
Thank you.
इसमें नहीं, इसके वजह में निकालता हूँ। मैं निकालता हूँ। आप इधर देखो, मैं निकालता हूँ। बॉक्स में है ना? ये भी अच्छे लगेंगे। बॉक्स में कैसे है?
Okay, what would you like to speak about today when there are so many beautiful clothes, many jewelries are there, many ornaments?
Yeah, I've participated in this event earlier, and it's great. We've done a new collection. It's a lot of drapey things. We've used a lot of tie and dye and bandi, and it's got a great response. So this is one of the nicer events that happen in Bombay, and I've always done it. So I've enjoyed it, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it right now.
As compared to others shop or other stalls, we are looking at many of a crowd in your stalls.
Well, I've tried something new this time, and I always do easy clothes. So we've done a lot of bandi, as I said, and things like this. So I guess it's getting a good response, and people are liking the easiness and the range. It's going to be summer, so it's going more lighter. So I guess it's working well.
Okay, how it is important to be fashionable in today's world?
Well, I wouldn't say that it's important to be fashionable, but it's important to be stylish. Whatever you wear does not matter whether it's 1 lakh or it's 5,000. If you've got the right style quotient and you know how to pair things up and you know how to make it look good and style it well, I think that's what clinches it for you. That's what clinches the look for me.
Okay, what does style mean in your life?
Well, style for me means it's a daily routine for me. I don't think before getting up in the morning what I'm going to wear. I just pick up things from my wardrobe, I put them together, and I try to do a new look every day, though it gets a little tiring. But yes, it's sometimes very rejuvenating, and it makes me open to more new ideas. So that's style for me, doing something every day new with myself.
Somewhere are nearby, any tips you would like to provide for the fashion in summer?
What would I like to provide?
Any fashion tip for summer?
Keep it easy, keep it light, and make it fun, I guess. Thank you.
नहीं हाँ पता है Here, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here. Thank you.
Done.
This color. This is going in the blue.
I think the purple is a very nice color.
Yeah. Purple I don't have much.
Maybe you can do the purple then.
That's what I was thinking.
That purple is also very pretty purple, what you said. That's a nice color. Oh, these come in this.
So nice.
Yeah, so this is the high stick for top.
Different one. That's a yeah.
And you leave it up either way. No, it's fine.
Giving so nice.
Which one would you suggest? This or this in color?
एक मिनट ये
हाँ,
पैसे
आराम
पे ले लो.
Hi, darling. How are you? Very well. What's up? You helping? No. I put this together. Oh, you thought this? I didn't know this is like dressing room. No, I know the whole thing, but I don't know there's been someone here. No. That I know. Yeah, it's your thing. That was something. I thought you do your clothes or something. Just choosing something.
Selfie कैसे करते हैं? ये मत अच्छा बता.
कुछ कनेक्शन देखते समय देखते समय
आ जाएगा छप जाएगा फिर मैं पहन ही नहीं पाएगी.
Just helping a friend.
थैंक यू
Wait. Here. One more, yeah?
I didn't ask.
हाँ मारो ना.
No.